this weekend. So when you think about it, this is our super style weekend, right? This is something we wait for, just like other things going on right now. We said, okay, we gotta have fun. It's kind of a QVC tradition. Let's make sure everything is shipping for free in fashion and in jewelry. And that means handbags and obviously shoes as well, along with clothes and jewelry, like our Christian James earrings. Everything's gonna be on 5 easy payments through this long, fabulous super style weekend. But I love working here because you tell us right away what you really, really love. And there has been one item, and I'm even gonna call it a shoe. There's been one item that literally even I think took us by surprise. Since yesterday, we've had 6,800 of our big deal ordered. She is fun, she is pretty, she is easy. You can wear her with socks right now. You can wear her barefoot then. It does come in our beautiful free shipping weekend moment, and we do have these in whole and half sizes, which is awesome, including medium and wide. I have been in love with this sage. Yesterday I was calling it aquamarine. So if you have a March baby, that's your birthstone.
Oh, yeah.
So you might not be able to afford this many carats, but go there. We also have it for you in lilac. And I was talking yesterday that the lilac story is really coming on strong. By the way, I am going to run and get the next blouse that John is prepping because it's a match made in heaven. John's looking at me. I'll be right over, John. Yeah, thanks, buddy. This is gonna be our natural. Then we have it for you, super popular. We have it in navy. And that's been the most popular. Thanks, John. And then we have it in black. This is Susan Graver.
Wow.
Wait a minute, you guys. 200 ordered in the show. Come in and look at this top. So with like Kim Gravel jeans, like, can you even? This is what a super style weekend is all about. Both shipping for free, both on 5 easy payments. I mean,
and this is exactly what you're talking about, like not underdressed.
No,
right?
exactly.
You will walk in and you're still comfortable. It looks effortless. But boy, oh boy, are you chic.
Look at this one with the pinky red. You could go to that lavender moment. And then this top is also, looks like it's coming up in this, I mean, even, oh, look at the purple.
Yes.
This is a 681001 coming up from Susan in the next show. So Jackie, obviously everybody got the, we need to sparkle memo,
of course.
right?
Why not?
Thanks, John.
It's a time, it's a new year, it's a time to sparkle.
Yes.
Absolutely. These are gorgeous. I do agree, it's got that more of an aquamarine vibe, almost like a minty, it's beautiful. But these are amazing because they have an easygoing outsole, which a lot of people adore. It gives you a definitely stronger bottom. It gives you more sure-footedness. Again, really great articulated movement here, but it's going to give you a lot more structure and stability. It's definitely extremely lightweight, but something about this just always gives me that more sure-footed feeling. And then you've got the memory foam, so that's beautiful. But our mules are wonderful because they do, again, give you that deeper heel cup. We still give you our padded heel collar, which is our little bit of an extra pillow, no break-in period. You get that engineered stretch knit upper. I mean, this is decadent in these gorgeous, sparkly diamond-esque. From far away, they look either like, you know, a burst, a star, or even like sweet little daisies. It's got such gorgeous personality and so much fun and flair.
And I love that you've responded to it so much. Like, you know, we talk about that backdoor shoe. When we were in a shoe meeting, somebody called it the 3-mile shoe, meaning all the things and errands you run 3 miles from your home. Like, go get your nails done, go get some coffee, drop the dry cleaning off, pick up the kids, go get the dog groomed, whatever we do. This is that shoe that normally the backdoor shoe is the scruffy old thing that, you know, we just wear because we have to. This is making the outfit, like, look at Scotty. So she has Belle by Kim Gravel on. That was a sweater that debuted today. That's the Today Special Value jeans that are going up in price in 3 hours and 19 minutes to be exact. And this shoe, I think I loved her and everything, but there's just something about this shoe on the foot that's so good. And like I said, right now, we're ready ready to push the season, but we're probably not going to be wearing sandals yet, at least not you and me outside.
Not
when
yet.
There's more snow on the way. But this, with a sock, with a
Yes.
tight, you could. 7,000 ordered already. We keep an item at a big deal price, which means before it's gone, for just usually about 5 days or so. We cannot believe the response to this. And with thousands of spring fashion shoes and bags on sale, not leftover winter, but brand new for spring. Let's go through the colors and remind you you're saving $15.50 just by shopping now and not spending the $5.50 today's shipping and handling, and getting, you know, close to $10 off just on the shoe. So this is sage. It's really more like a sea glass aqua. I can see you wearing that in the summertime.
Yes.
And that has more of the Aurora Borealis crystals. And that one is going to be down to now $2,100. This is the shoe that I keep referencing in fashion. This is the lilac. Only 2,000 left. Again, when you look closely, those are the Aurora Borealis crystals, so it'll pick up anything that you wear.
Absolutely.
As always, you love the natural. 1,700 left. People will spend more for this shoe, and they'll have to in a couple days, but not you tonight, and it ships for free. Navy, gorgeous. Only $19.50 left. And on the navy, you're also getting a little bit more of like a gunmetal sparkle, so it's very sophisticated. And then last but not least, look at the black diamond look on the black, 1,800 left. And we talk about that flooded or to the floor black, which is what a lot of places require you to wear if you wear a certain uniform. So if you're at like a salon and you want to rock this, or you just need that uniform shoe for your life that's going to work with everything, this is the way to go. And can you talk about the easygoing outsole? Because it's kind of beloved.
Yes, the easygoing outsole is beloved for many different reasons. It's been around for a while here at Skechers, and it's because it gives you this great flexibility still, excellent articulation of movement, but it's really amazing for the shock absorption, because this is going to give you a more structured outsole. This is going to give you that sure-footed feel, and it's still going to give you that lightweight aspect that you come to know and love from Skechers, but it's giving you a lot more of that support. Then stepping on top of that great memory foam that feels like you're stepping on almost like your favorite mattress. And then you can see how this beautiful decadence just catches the light. It's absolutely adorable and pristine. And then it's got a beautiful piping here that matches the color. I always also prefer to, when I'm trying to be a little bit more elevated, trying to be a little bit more decadent, I like a non-stark white outsole. You know, there's a time and a place for the stark white, but I love that we didn't do it here.
Yeah, I find that sometimes it pops a lot in pictures.
Yes.
So that's what I kind of think while I'm gravitating to this kind of a vibe, whether you get the black, and again, in medium and wide, whole and half sizes, stores cannot stock 5 colors in medium and wide and whole and half sizes, or put brand new items on sale. This is not like, you know, when you walk into a shoe store and it's summertime and everything that's on sale are the boots in the back, and vice versa. Like you go in the middle of wintertime and all the summer sandals are on sale. I'm like, well, this is a year-round shoe in black, in your navy with the gray outsole, and and this is like the most tonal. So like these two. If you want some fun sparkle and shine, but you also kind of want things to stay tonally on the feet, which I don't blame you, the black and the natural would be a good twosome, because then you're saving $31 by getting 2 pairs of shoes right now. Two are better than one. We also have it in lilac, and we have it in the sage. And it's funny, your friend of mine, Sue Kelly, who brings us Clark's, we were laughing at each other on air on purpose, because we're like, you know what, if you went into our closet, we probably have like 1 or 2 black shoes, because we're distracted by sparkle and shine, right?
I agree with you.
So now you get an all black shoe and you still get your sparkle and shine, right?
When you were saying that, I was like, I don't think I have an all black. It's also important to note these are gonna be nice on your foot, right? You're not gonna feel the gem, the stone, any of that.
There's no little prongs underneath.
No, absolutely not.
Not at all. Oh my gosh, we have so much new in the show. Like we said, there's like thousands of items on sale at